If you need to export your saved passwords from Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can safely download your passwords as a file from the Chrome Password Manager. This is super helpful if you want to back up your logins, move them to another browser, or simply keep a secure copy for later. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the Chrome profile that already has your saved passwords because that's the profile Chrome will use when you export them. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu. From there, click Settings. That will take you into the Chrome settings page where you can manage privacy, autofill, and password options. On the left-hand side, find Autofill and Passwords. Click that section and then select Google Password Manager. This is the built-in tool Chrome uses to store and manage your saved login details. Inside Google Password Manager, look for the Settings option and click it. This will open the password management settings where you can control export and import options. Now scroll or look for export passwords. When you find it, click the download file option. Chrome is going to prepare a password export file for you, but before it does that, it will usually ask you to verify your identity. This is an important security step because saved passwords are sensitive information. Depending on your device, Chrome may ask for your Windows password, your PIN, or even your fingerprint. Go ahead and complete that verification step so Chrome knows it's really you. After that, Chrome will prompt you to choose where you want to save the file. Pick a secure location on your computer and then click Save. Once you do that, Chrome will export your saved passwords into a CSV file. That file can be opened in spreadsheet software, so be careful where you store it because it contains sensitive login information in plain text. If you're backing it up, a good idea is to move it to a secure folder or delete it after you've imported it somewhere else. And that's it. You've now successfully exported your passwords from Google Chrome. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.